Yo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cudgle, and guess what? It's my wife, Kara.
That's right, people. We're married.
What the heck? What? So today is a very special day. Today. It's my son's birthday today. You guys didn't know I have a son? Well, he's appeared in a few videos. I wonder who he is. Who's he gonna be? It's your boy. It's your boy Brutus. It's our doggy Brutus. Just like with my gecko Rizzo, we would like to, don't tell him, but we would like to throw him a surprise party. So why don't we get things started by baking Brutus a cake?
It's peanut butter flavored. This is made for dogs. Don't worry. Nothing bad.
Sometimes we put peanut butter on Brutus's nose and then it takes forever for him to lick it off and he looks really funny. Actually, he looks like this.
Okay. No, that is for dogs. That is for dogs. It's for dog. Don't eat it.
Oh, it just tastes like peanut butter powder.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. Bam.
Ew, that has a bad aftertaste. I don't like that.
Well, it's not made for you.
Hush, Brutus. Don't tell Brutus about the cake we're making him. You.
2 tablespoons of oil.
In case your dogs at home are following along.
Yeah. 2/3 cup of water. Dose.
In case your Spanish dogs at home are following along. He'd probably be fine if you didn't even mix it.
This is a weird consistency. It feels kind of like goo.
Let me put the camera in it so that the viewers can also experience it.
Yeah. You guys gotta taste this. Come on. There you go. Apparently you can microwave this? What the heck?
Brutus is better quality than microwave. He's at least toaster oven grade.
Preheat the oven to 350. Bam. Gotta spray the pan. That's probably good. Then you gotta put all the batter in.
She smells it.
You smell the cake? We're making you a cake. Yes, we are. Now I can't do anything until the oven's preheated, so I'm gonna watch it preheat, okay?
Okay.
There it is. Wait for the oven to preheat. The oven's ready. Time to bake the cake. Now we gotta wait 20 to 24 minutes and the cake will be ready and we can frost it and decorate it. The cake's done.
What? It's red hot! Be careful!
Look at that amazing cake.
Look at that amazing
It's
girl!
amazing. Woo! Yeah, it's a beautiful cake right there. It
It
smells
is
like peanut butter.
beautiful. Can I eat it?
No, it's for Brutus. Now we're gonna decorate.
Brutus, stop looking! Those are the decorations for the party you don't know about. Go away. Go away. Go. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here.
Don't know if this is gonna work. I'll try and tape them to the wall.
That'll work just fine. That's a perfect M.
No, it's supposed to be a W.
Now it's an E.
Oh, it's a W for woo.
Now it's an M again.
No, you're doing it wrong.
What?
It's a whole party pack.
It's like it's a party. How have you not? Oh. What are you doing? Alright, drop it. He scared himself. What? It's gone!
Get it, Rubo, get it!
What?
So now we're gonna make the icing. Cake's all cooled. 1, 2. Now we're gonna ice it. Seriously, this is like glue.
It looks beautiful.
Then we're gonna take some dog food and I'm gonna line the sides and make it look real pretty.
Oh my goodness.
And then put a cookie in the middle.
A doggy biscuit cookie.
Don't worry, these are not Oreos. They are dog safe. We're ready to give Brutus his birthday cake. Are you ready, Bru? Oh, your ear's inside out.
Yeah. Alright, Brutus. Hold. Hold. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bru. Oh, okay. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Good, bud? Yeah.
You don't know how to eat it.
Putting it close, buddy. There you go. You're a little bad at eating cake.
Happy birthday, Brutus. Man, I've only known you for like 10 seconds, but I already like you infinitely more than any of the other schmucks on this YouTube channel.
You freaking... That's disgusting. That is disgusting, Brutus.
Aw dang it. My plan of buttering him up to get a piece of cake didn't work.
It's at this point where I was supposed to announce to Brutus that I would be making him into a custom amiibo for his birthday, but I somehow lost the footage where I did that. Nevertheless, Brutus seemed like he had an amazing time at his birthday party because he ate literally all of the cake and he was very content. He didn't even share it with me, but that's okay. I'm not too hurt about it. I'm not really upset, whatever. So today's sculpture is a pretty basic rendition of a cartoon version of the dog whose birthday party you just attended, Brutus. Unless you skipped ahead, in which case he and I are both very disappointed in you. This will be one of my shorter customs, and I actually filmed it a while ago and I've just been sitting on the footage waiting to make the video, but I still like how it turned out, and I wanted to show you guys the process. We're gonna start by making a head that's shaped like a, it's shaped like a bean. It's a bean. We can then attach the bean to the cylindrical body. Unfortunately, that means we no longer have a bean shape. Now it's more like a bean with a large tumor. He'll be in a seated position, so I started adding the legs. Because of the shape he's in right now, he kinda looks like an evil recolor of Barney the dinosaur. But I assure you I am making Bruby. Hey everybody, I'm sorry to interrupt the video like this, but I wanted to check my sources to see if the joke I just made, you know, evil Barney the dinosaur, if it was accurate, like seeing if the common conception of an evil Barney the Dinosaur is just a black recolor of him, and while I proved myself wrong, I also stumbled into a rabbit hole that I felt would be interesting. So if you go over to images for Evil Barney the Dinosaur on Google, the first result is this recolor. You know, he's just got evil eyes, but it's from the Joey Slick wiki, Evil Barney the Dinosaur. Let's go ahead and check that out just real quick. Evil Barney the Dinosaur is an evil version of Barney that appeared in various artwork and other stuff made by various people. Now, we've learned a lot, like, that's very descriptive. However, I think we can get a little more information if we look in between the lines. So if we scroll down, we find ourselves at the gallery, and the gallery is the meat and potatoes of this find. We see lots of sprites of Evil Barney the Dinosaur. Now, they are all following the same color pattern of, you know, normal Barney, but then some of the colors are changed. In various predicaments, here he's getting hurt or something, and then here he's got green eyes, and you keep scrolling, and the colors change again, subtly. It's just a little bit different again. Then we go, and even more. It just keeps changing just a little. And then we've got a whole nother color palette here. And then if you keep scrolling and scrolling, you find that there's another color palette and another, and it just keeps going and going. It's almost countless. We're not even at the half of the page yet, and it just keeps going and going. There's an animatronic version. As far as I know, this isn't in a game or anything, so this is just someone's recreation of Barney, but evil, and just in so many different colors. Like, here we've got close-ups. This one's animated. It's baffling to me. Like, look, they're all the same image. And just over and over, the eyes. I think it's just the eyes that are being changed at this point. They're not even trying to, well, there he's just got bigger eyes. I don't understand what's happening. What is this? What even is this? It doesn't end. It just goes and goes. Now we're into 3D models. There's a lot of images of Barney here, right? That's not the interesting part. People are contributing to this article with their own Barneys, and I think that's why the page is so big. I think, what's his name? Joey Slick. I think Joey Slick just keeps adding these pictures. Yeah, we saw that one up there. Stuff like this is what makes me appreciate the internet so much. Now, Joey Slick is not just an evil Barney aficionado. If we search Joey Slick, we're brought to his YouTube channel. Go to his YouTube channel, and I'm not going to really play any videos, but I just wanted to let you guys know that he has this channel that's pretty massive in sheer number of videos. I mean, he doesn't have that much of a following, but some of his videos get to a pretty decent amount of views. Like, Hungry Pumpkin Doesn't Want Windows 10. It's his art, but I haven't found Barney yet on this YouTube channel, but I haven't really looked that close. So I'm just a lucky star. So he's a weeaboo, it's proven. So yeah, oh, well, that's very good. That is excellent. Professional quality. Funimation will hire this man. That's probably where he went, honestly. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to know this knowledge that I've learned. We can get back to the video now. I'm so sorry to have interrupted it. I added white markings to the evil Barney shape to balance out the wicked forces. I decided to go super simple with the legs and just make them black rolled out segments with white paws. I also added the back feet, which were basically like the front ones, but even smaller and simpler, and they were horizontal instead of vertical. And now to add his tail, which has a white tip at the end. Now here I added a lot of detail, which I regret not filming more of, but I added an extra white splotch on his neck, twirled 2 blue pieces of clay together to make his rope collar, his ears, then his eyes, nose, and mouth. Got all that? Good, because it's gonna be on the test. This sculpture process was actually filmed a while ago, like I said, before I started making my own resin amiibo bases. For this project, I handmade my own out of clay, and while it doesn't look horrible, it actually got me started on making resin bases, since those look so much more professional. Either way, Brutus here will be Duck Hunt when you scan him in Smash Bros. And we are done with our Brutus custom amiibo. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos like custom amiibos and such. Follow my Twitter for memes, Instagram for exclusive content. Go to my website, Cudgle.com, for more videos and things like comics, and my Etsy if you want to buy a commission from me. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. I read every single one, and I try to reply to a lot of them. Have a wonderful, excellent day, and be sure to submit some evil Barney designs and ideas to Joey Slick. But don't actually harass him or anything, please. That's just not cool. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Wish Brutus a happy birthday on the way out. Peace.